Lean Body Cream Cheese Protein Brownies are here.
To make the brownies, add into a large mixing bowl 300 grams of a vanilla or chocolate Greek yogurt, 4 ounces of our delicious chocolate Lean Body ready-to-drink protein shake, 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half a cup of your choice flour, 3 tablespoons of a nut butter, 2 tablespoons of sweetener, 2 scoops of our chocolate Lean Body protein shake drink mix, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Mix all of those together until smooth like this. In another bowl, add 1 scoop of our vanilla Lean Body protein shake drink mix, 1 large whole egg, 100 grams of a vanilla Greek yogurt, and 4 ounces of a reduced fat cream cheese. Mix those together until smooth. In a lined or coated baking pan or dish, pour in your brownie mix followed by your cream cheese mix. Cut it in with a knife like this. Put that into the oven on 350 for around 25 to 30 minutes.